And this is my homeless look. So just woke up and took a quick shower, and now I'm having my lemon water. Please avoid the way I look. I'm going to take you through my day. Just a mini vlog that I've been meaning to do, where it's a hectic shoot day and I'm doing things and everything behind the scenes. I hope you enjoy it. So the most important part of a shoot day is planning. Everything is planned beforehand, and I am a person. I'm a control freak. I need everything to be planned. I should know when and why and how I'm doing things, like before doing them. So I always write it down. I have diaries, not a diary, but a like diaries, a bundle of them for everything. And yeah, I'm going to share it with you in the video where I'll be talking to you about content creation. I have been working on it. That how should I explain, so wait for it. तब तक के लिए आप ये वीडियो देखिए. And yeah, I'll keep it short and sweet. You'll know what I do, how I do. So before I shoot, I always make sure that I eat. Like I have my lunch, because if I start snacking, the lunch is going to waste and my mother is going to kill me. So these are the diaries in which I am planning things. This is my to-do list. I am writing it since last year, like what I'm gonna do the whole day, my to-do task. This is for content planning. Everything is, there is juice on planning. This is for my designs. I design my clothes, I stitch them and everything. I mean, I get it stitched. That's the thing. This is my wedding planner, in which I am doing things that you'll get to know. Yep. This is the to-do of the day. I have to do these things today. So it is like this. आप लिख के रखोगे कि आज. It gets easier when you write it down that your to do every day. Right? Try to do that. Even though if you fail to complete any tasks, like just don't feel bad. At least you tried. To do लिख के रखो so that you make the content and सब कुछ आपके according रहे. So I guess it helps. I even plan my transitions, like I just recorded a transition like before I'm ready and all, and now I'll get ready and then shoot the other half. I'll be very honest with you guys, it gets hectic, like crazy hectic, because I shoot on my phone, like everything, even YouTube videos, I edit them, the pictures you see, the BTS, everything I shoot on my phone. It gets hectic because space issues. Even sometimes my phone doesn't, it just cannot take this much of load altogether. So it takes time for me to shoot videos and all. I try, but soon I'm gonna get a camera for sure. Hopefully. I'm all set. I'm ready. I shot one transition already and doing this YouTube video as planned. And all the clothes are ready. Where are the clothes? Yeah, they're here. This is the bundle, like for styling videos and everything. I of course plan everything and then get my clothes ready. This is where I shoot. This is where I put my tripod, and yahan pe I use this wardrobe, my parents' wardrobe, as the background. And this is my parents' room. I shoot here mostly because of good lighting. I really love the lighting here. So I'm done with the styling shoot. Now I'm going upstairs on terrace to do some self-portraits, and yeah, I hope it works because the clouds are beautiful today. I cannot wait to shoot. How the sky looks today, and how can I not shoot? I mean, wow. So we are all set with the ladder and all. Go to my Instagram page and see the pictures, the outcome. Finally done. Whew. I am done. Like, it's crazy. It took a lot of efforts this time, and yeah. This is the Like, I just started shooting and the black cloud came. It's just so unfortunate. Anyhow, I got some good shots. So dirty terrace, I know. So yeah, this is how I shoot. I use this tripod. I use this ladder this time as a prop. I hope editing में अच्छा लगे. Let's see. Got done with shower, clean the room, brushed my hair, and now I'm gonna do some skincare, shave my face, moisturize, etc. And that's the end of my day. I'm gonna watch some series, and yeah, because tomorrow I'm going out with my family, Sarampur. I mean, I want to vlog that, but again, I'm a private person, and you guys understand that. That's really nice. And yeah, like, subscribe. You know what to do. You know the drill. And I hope this, was enjoyable, fun. I'm gonna try to do this more and more. And yes, I am recording the whole wedding car thing, and I'm very excited for the same. And thank you so much for the wishes and support and love. I love you guys. Take care of yourself, and you should wear your mask and just be safe, right? Bye.